Hi guys, and welcome in new series of episodes. This kind of episodes will be about how be good housewife. To be a good housewife, you should know how to clean house. Good, not perfect. No, you don't need to be perfect. You need to work on yourself, and in the end, you will be good with that. No pressure. And yes, for start, this is not important for start. When you first start cleaning, you need start music on your phone or some radio, computer, whatever. You need music. What kind of music? That depends from you. Because sometimes you can be in another mood, sometimes you like this, sometimes you like this. So, first, good music. Second, clothes that you will like. And like this, maybe you don't believe. I can like this more or less. I can show. I will just take sweater and maybe rings if they will disturb me. On start I will start with the rings, but later if I will clean toilet and they will be on the way, I will just take them and later wear back. Why I do this? Cause like I like have makeup every day, and that's not a problem with me cleaning and having makeup. And of course you need to look nice all the time, because like cleaning isn't an excuse for you to wear shitty clothes and all. You can always find some leggings, some nice t-shirt, and with that you can start cleaning, or some sweater, something. Depends on what you like. I like clean like this, that I have like clothes that like give you space, that you can normally do something, but also you look nice when you need to go throw away trashes, or neighbor will come, post guy. And better have when you clean small earrings. When I was working like housekeeping, we have always smaller earrings, more or less everybody, so I just learned cleaning with small one. This necklace isn't also maybe good idea, but this I like. And that's not a problem for me, so it's good. And now tools. I am working with this, what you see more or less here. And I have also this friend. Yes, I use that for cleaning floor, and I don't use any stick, mop, whatever for cleaning floor. That's annoying for me, because I will spend 3 times more time to cleaning floor, and will be not nice looking still, so what's the point? We have also machine that walking around house and it's cleaning house, but I'm not huge fan of that because it's not perfect, and when it's ordered, oh my god, can clean one space and second don't touch even. So no, not really. I like this machine to go under bed or sofa, but like other places I don't really need that. Faster is when I'm doing that, and this kind of machine make lots of noise. Better start some nice music and do that by your own cleaning. So, and tools, what we have here, full table. So first we have some kind of papers that we use. Toilet paper is always good option if you don't have like kitchen paper. So guys, now we go to chemical things. This is for clean floor. This I really like because of smell, really nice smell. This is for cleaning dishes. If I don't clean floor with this, I am cleaning with this. This is for kitchen. This is like for windows. This is toilet. This is toilet. This is for walls in toilets and sometimes for kitchen I use. Here we have, made by me, we have here baking soda with water and with vinegar. This is like natural stuff for cleaning, but about this talk later in next episode. And here also something handmade. This is only just water with tea. I have with other kinds of tea, depends, because this normally you use for cleaning furnitures. So especially when you have like old-fashioned antique furniture, oh my god, water with tea. Or if furnitures are really dark, water with coffee. Yes, because this is like natural way to do that, and also can take out from wood really nice color. So yes, so on start I think this is it. And also newspaper. Better like I don't have now, but better have paper that is like old-fashioned, bigger one, you know, like this. So excited. Yeah, some maybe some small other things you need also have, but this is like on start what I want to show you to have, and I hope you will stick with me and sometimes watch me even if you don't clean with me, because it's fun. Watch me, you see it somewhere, nice cozy tea, coffee, some donuts, and watching me cleaning. And I almost forgot about last thing, this spray. It's like spray for making nice air. So thank you guys for watching this first starting episode, and see you in next one. Bye! Air spray. Air spray. Air spray! Not hairspray, only air spray. Like, subscribe and comment below.